his nails done. He really doesn't like it. He's catching them. Everything. Oh. Look what you've done, darling. You've caught it again. Yeah, you've caught them again.
Good lad.
Oh, a friend Sue's good at this, so I'll have to keep it up when he goes back. The back ones as well. Come here, Nori. Oi.
Come here.
He said, no, I'm going.
I've had it. Go away.
Come here, Nori. Come. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Stand. Stand. Good boy. Stand. Oh, it's a good boy. Can't keep catching them, darling, because you're hurting your foot. Your tootsies. Oh yeah. Thanks, Nori. Yes, you've got to have them done. Yes, you've got to have them done. We'll get Sue to keep them up when we go back to Corby. But at the moment, you've got to be a good boy. You're making life really hard here, aren't you, eh? Come on, don't. Oh dear. This is the last part of his beauty treatment, what I was dreading doing. I tried it once myself and no.